I have so much book mail. Let's open it. Let's start with the L'Oreal. L'Oreal this month, I picked A Vow in Vengeance. I read this as an ARC. Y'all know I've been obsessed with it. In paper and sprayed edge. The next is Aardvark. And this month I got 2 because I actually am canceling this one. So I had 2 credits because one month I just didn't pick anything. So I got Sounds Like Love and An Arcane Inheritance. Next is a pre-order from Bookish Box. This is Wild Eyes and Wild Side. In paper, naked hardcover is what made me realize I want these editions, but also this reversible dust jacket is gorgeous. And Wild Sides in papers, naked hardcover, and the reversible dust jacket. Next is a pre-order from Owlcrate. That was my Owlcrate pre-order of Bride and Mate. I think these covers are absolutely stunning. They remind me of like Bridgerton. Here's the edges. The naked hardcover. I'm obsessed. This is for Mate. In paper art. And paper art. Reverse dust jacket. Bride's naked hardcover. In paper art. In paper art. And reverse dust jacket. This is from Barnes & Noble. This was the re-release of To Bleed a Crystal Bloom by Sarah Parker. The edges on this are gorgeous also. And the last one is a pre-order from Lit Haven Boutique. I've been waiting on this one the longest by far. This box is very cool though. This is my first order from them. To open it up to this. This is on top. Ready? It is the Lit Haven of Blood of Hercules. This is a gorgeous edition. And the naked hardcover. This is what convinced me to get this edition. I just love it so much. Here is the reverse dust jacket and another picture print. That was a lot of books, but most of those were pre-orders, so I'd been waiting on them for months.